Hi, I'm Isaac. I'm the agent of selling EM Finance 10BB and Diesel. Recently, I got a case that buyer would like to have a conference call before we start the transaction. Of course, no problem. After I forward buyer's company CIS to my seller replied me like this: Hey Isaac, this buyer has already contact with us um, through another agent. After I heard this, I told the agent The agent just didn't listen to me. Uh, he wants me and forced me to get involved um, the transaction. This is this is not right. Buyer and seller they already got a connection and started the transaction already. We shouldn't be involved their current transaction. So be respect the transaction as well as seller and buyer. All right. Thank you.